National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Tornado watch is in effect for most of the WLFI viewing area until 10 p.m. Eastern time. All of the area except the far northwest here. We've had a few storms trying to get going this afternoon. I had a report of an unconfirmed small funnel near Fowler and also Winamac and some pea-sized hail north of Winamac, and those storms are now moving into southern Michigan, where we do have some warnings on those, and a pretty potent cell just northeast of Rochester that we've got a warning on at the present time. But tornadic supercells are blowing up in western Kentucky and far southern Indiana. These are kind of working northeastward, and there's another surface low that's developing in Oklahoma, and a lot of wind energy that's kind of rounding the bend and moving northeastward. And I think as we get into the evening, the conditions becoming increasingly favorable for storms to develop, last a lot longer, and organize into severe weather. And the best chance of that would be Lafayette eastward here, as those strong winds in the atmosphere move northeastward and really blow up some storms in the viewing area. All right, temperatures have warmed up nicely with the sunshine that we've had for this afternoon. Temperatures warming well into the 70s now. We had a high here at the station of 75 degrees this afternoon. If we could go to 3D here really quickly, 75 now here at the station, as well as Attica. It's 70 at Fowler, 73 in Logansport, 69 at Remington, headed for overnight lows in the mid-50s. So I've cut down the precip coverage at 7 o'clock this evening because storms are taking a little longer to form. 70 at that point, but increasing showers and storms. Again, especially Lafayette area and eastward, 61 degrees by 11 o'clock. Now, these storms will pull away once we get past 10 p.m., but widespread rain and storms coming up from the south tomorrow could even be a severe threat as we get into our southeast counties, and more storms by Sunday with the potential of perhaps some severe weather. So the severe weather threat tonight, again, Attica, Lafayette, pretty close to Delphi here, Logansport and Denver and eastward. That's where the main severe weather threat's going to lie. Hail, wind, perhaps a couple tornadoes. More of a conditional threat here. Fowler, Winamac, Remington. Still could see a few hailers, a couple pockets of damaging wind here, but as you can see, as you head eastward, the threat will increase. And then as we get into tomorrow, a lot of rain coming up from the south, and embedded in all that rain, I do think there will be a squall line that'll kind of move and race northeastward, and that could clip our southeastern counties with perhaps a few scattered damaging wind reports and a little bit of hail, perhaps an isolated weak tornado. And there's the rain and storm action moving northward tonight and into the day tomorrow. And then we get a break mainly on Thursday, perhaps a few scattered showers Thursday, but the heaviest rains starting to get out of here. Rainfall 1 to 2 inches overnight tonight, 2 inches Lafayette, 1.81 Delphi, an inch and a quarter towards Rensselaer. Again, severe weather threat in place this evening, especially Lafayette eastward. The threat will start to pull away once we get past 10 o'clock. And then 70 tomorrow, 60 on Thursday, and perhaps more severe weather on Sunday.
Okay, a pattern for sure.
Oh yeah, thankfully going to start to dry out as we get into May though and get consistently warm.
Yeah, good news for farmers especially. All right,
That's right.
Thanks, Chad. Ross
Sure.
Bolin is in the Sports Center for us tonight.